Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make homemade french fries. So in this french fries, there's a method you do to get a very good result from it. So this is my french fry. I've already fried it. I fried it first time, and this is the second batch of it. So this is the second frying of the french fries. Look at it, see how it turned out to be. You hear it crispy. So I fried the first time for like 7 minutes. I didn't allow it to be that golden brown, so if you fry it once it will not come out well. So what I did, I fry it once, then I keep it to cool down a bit, then I now fry it the second time. So you see how golden brown it turns out. It's crispy. When you do it once, when you fry it once, you will not have that crispy and tenderness inside. And this look very delicious. See, the taste is different from the one you buy from the shop, because this is a fresh cut, a fresh french fry that you do by yourself, so the taste is always different. So this is the first batch. I fry it once. I'm going to leave it to cool down for some time, then later I will now turn it back in the hot oil. So look at the result here. Okay, see the way it come out. So guys, this is the result of my french fry, my homemade french fry. So look at it. It looks beautiful. I'm going to make a picture out of it. Do anybody want french fries? Look at how soft it is inside. Crunchy. So you can use it with any sauce of your type that you want. Enjoy my french fries. So this is the second frying that I made from the second batch. I'm going to remove it now. So guys, this is where I'm going to end this video today, with my homemade french fries. It looks delicious, crunchy. Outside is crunchy and inside is very tender, soft. So have a nice time. Try to make your homemade french